Hey bestie, welcome back. I am TayRevs and I have a magical pink box to show you. So I recently hopped on a trend that started in 2016. I know I'm a little late, it might be 2023, but I became obsessed with these products and I wanted to purchase a bunch of them because not only do I work in a makeup store, I like to do makeup and I'm not a makeup artist. The real reason that I wanted to make a video about this is that before I purchased this product, I scoured the internet. Like I searched like with my FBI skills looking for pictures and videos of this particular product. And I did find some, but very limited. I do hope to make like a huge comparison video one day once I acquire all of the variations, because I think that that would be really helpful, especially for people who are like me, who are visual learners and need to see shit before making the purchase, right? Because you don't know, you want to know what it's gonna look like on people who look like you, or even just to see it on a person, period. So without further ado, let me show y'all what I am talking about. If you've bought products from Kylie before, you might have recognized the pink box right off the bat. But yes, I have ordered from Kylie Cosmetics and I'm so excited to show you guys what I have picked up. First of all, this tissue paper that comes in the package is super high quality, super thick. Now, I know the girl got money to be making the products come like this, nice and secure, but it's just a nice added detail. It's not just like flimsy tissue paper. It actually comes packaged really nicely. So I purchased were kind of all over the place. I did want to get most of the Batman collection. However, I decided to go with her birthday palette just because of the shade options. I figured I might have a little bit more use on the shades that come in the birthday palette as opposed to the blues and yellows and greens that come in the Batman palette. That didn't stop me from getting one of the Batman collection items, which is the Batman highlighter, and it is absolutely beautiful. The shade is Gotham City 011. Oh, I am absolutely obsessed. Like, look at the 3D etching. Next up, I got one of her Kylie Kybrow brushes. I was noticing that my brush that I was using for my everyday brows wasn't very precise anymore. It was very fluffy, so I decided to pick up one of hers and see if it is what I was looking for. This is the brush. This is impossible to show correctly. It looks super precise. I'm really excited to use this with the Anastasia Dip Brow. Who doesn't love a new palette? I think we can all say that we love getting a new palette. And look at the detailing on it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And it actually like, it's like glittery. The same detailing is on the actual palette. Oh my god. So two of the shades in this palette are not actually meant for the eye, and it would be these two here, 24 Baby and Birthday Magic. They are meant for the face only, as they can be known to cause staining or irritation. So I'm gonna do my best to avoid wanting to put that beautiful pink on my eyeshadow. And this was the palette released for her 24th birthday. I know you see them. Yes, of course, I had to get lip kits. So these ones look pretty similar. I feel like you could probably tell that they look pretty similar, but they are not the same shade, they are different. The first one is going to be Bite Me, which is shade 403. These are the matte lip kits here with the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. I had a really hard time choosing between Bite Me and Mary Jo K. They're such beautiful reds, but I felt like this one was more my style. I don't wear a lot of lipstick, and when I do, I'm not geared towards a lot of darker stuff. However, I used to be. So I thought that this was going to be the right direction for me. So this is Bite Me. It is a beautiful red color. And it comes with the matching lip liner, of course. The next product is actually kind of why I'm making this video in the first place. In my introduction, I was talking about a product that I couldn't find a lot of photos or videos of, and that would be Hollyberry. This is going to be a really deep red. I actually find that it looks a lot like Leo, but a little bit more purpley. And I think I'm actually going to like this a lot better than if I would have gotten Leo, even though it was sold out. And of course, we have the matching Kylie lip liner. Next up, we have something new and exciting looking. This is the Kylie Lip Blush Kit. So it comes with a lip blush and a lip liner. This is supposed to be a more blotted finish. A lot of people have said that it's very lightweight, and for somebody who is wearing lipstick at work for 8 hours, I'm looking for something that is comfortable. This is shade Sister Sister. This was a shade that was released during Kendall's collection that they released with their purple little outfits on. Oh my god, look at the packaging. It is so beautiful, and I'm gonna open it, guys. I have never used a lip blush before, so I'm excited. Oh my god. It looks so beautiful. I want to do a little swatch. Can we see my hand? Okay. Oh! I've heard that there's like, this is like a creamed powder finish. Please nobody judge my eczema. It is rough out here in these Ontario winters. Being from Nova Scotia, I'm used to lots of humidity, and up here I get none of it. Now I'm gonna be annoying. I'm gonna play in a little bit. Oh, this is very nice. Let me get my hand in focus here. I'm just making a mess of my hand, but I wanted to see how this like, oh my god, that is beautiful. And it's like not really leaving a lot of transfer on my other hand, my finger there. Okay, I might be sold. Oh no. I'm gonna have to do the 8-hour test though, just to see. That is sexy. If she does reds in this, I think that'd be so beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy with this color choice as well. That's the thing about buying online, like you never know. It kind of matches my eczema, I'm not gonna lie. The blush kit comes with a lip liner as well, but I was sold on the Sister Sister shade as soon as I saw it. So I didn't do a whole lot of research into the lip blush. I mean, aside from like asking what people thought about how it felt, but I didn't ask anyone or see anything about the lip liner being different. Like I'm wondering, is it just the same lip liner formula from the matte lip kits? Or is this like a fancy new lip blush lip liner? I guess we gonna find out. Next up, and actually last from the order, I know y'all see another little box in there, but this is the last thing that I actually ordered from Kylie this time. And it is one of her high glosses in the shade Damn Gina. Now, I'm only like 10 seasons into the Kardashians, so I don't know who Gina is. I don't know if I'm missing who the hell Gina is, but you know what? It's a pretty gloss. Can we talk about the inside of the packaging? Like, it's so cute. This is the gloss. I don't know if you can see all the beautiful little sparkles happening in there. I was really stuck between this shade and Oh You Fancy, but I realized that Oh You Fancy was like super gold, and this one was more popular and more of a pink. Oh! Yeah, this is gonna be everything. I'm obsessed. The packaging is so cute. I want to have my face on my packaging one day. I'm gonna do it, guys. Just wait. Now, I said that was the last thing that I ordered. However, this product has a very cute story, and I'm gonna block it off for a second while I start to gear up the little story. If you have bought from Kylie before, you probably know what this is. But when I was visiting home in Nova Scotia for Christmas, I decided to go to some shoppers and see if there was a Kylie section, because there was one product that they didn't sell on her website and I wanted it. I'd already put my order through and I'm like, all right, let's just go to the shoppers. I'll buy it there. So I went to 3 shoppers in Nova Scotia looking for this product. Just even a section. I was looking for just a Kylie section because they sell Kylie Cosmetics at the shoppers in Canada. And no, none in Nova Scotia. I don't know what I was thinking that Nova Scotia would be up to the speeds. But no, nay, they did not have none of that. So I come back to Ontario and I roll up to the shoppers in the sticks near where I live, and believe it or not, they actually had the product. They had a whole section. They're renovating, but they had the section and the products that I was looking for. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kylie Cosmetics Plumping Gloss. Oh my god, guys. I'm telling you, 2 provinces, 4 shoppers to find this. Oh my god. I got the lip plumping gloss in the shade Curve Him 618, and she is beautiful. She's a little similar to Damn Gina. We got some sparkles happening in there, I noticed that not all of them, because I swatched all the ones that they had, and there's a couple that aren't sparkly. I like sparkles. Who doesn't like some sparkles? Especially with some plumping gloss? Oh, you're crazy. And yes, I have given her a little whirl. Oh, so sexy. Now, I just want to do a little side-by-side compared to the damn Gina gloss. These are the two that I have. The high gloss is the pink one and the white one is the plumping gloss. Now, the reason that I was so ecstatic to find the plumping gloss at all is because it was an Ulta exclusive. But I was like, you know what? They sell it at Shoppers. Let me at least go run up on them and see if they got it or not. Like, and they did. And the girl I was talking to, I was having a great little chat with her. I was looking like a bum. I'm like, girl, I do work at Sephora, but I don't look like it right now. We just had a little giggle. Turns out she was from Nova Scotia too. And we had a nice little chat. So I was very, very happy with my experience. You know, 3 shoppers on the 4th shopper later, right? But, anywho. Yeah, that one's more nude. And this one's more pink. You know what? I think I like the nude for the plumping, because I probably would wear this alone. Or with like a lip liner. I'm really kind of kicking myself for not getting a brown lip liner from her, but you know what? This just means I have to order another order. I'm fine with this.